In primetime news this evening, it's Advantage PNP. RJ Arglina Donna Anderson polls show party leading into the general election. Search on for missing schoolboy who was washed away by floodwaters in Westmoreland. And firefighters receives minor injuries following blaze along Spanish Town Road.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International, that's in the Cayman Islands, or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Anthony Lug.
Thanks, Andrea. Well, the redevelopment of the Garmex Free Zone is moving ahead in phases. I'll give you the details later on in the business day.
And tell us what's to come in sports. Here's Renata Brown with a preview.
Well, Gia, everything surrounds the athletes switching allegiance. Now, the J3s had a press conference today and they spoke about approaching World Athletics about the matter because it's getting serious. Also, it's do or die for the Reggae Boys in their CONCACAF Gold Cup game against Panama on Tuesday. We'll talk about that and more in Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Renato. And Romaine Robinson is here to give us a preview of the weather report and forecast. Romaine, the weather was all over the place today.
Yes, Andrea, we did have quite a bit of shower activity across the Jamaica area today. We did also have some thunderstorms affect sections of the west. We're expecting similar conditions for many days this week. We do have tropical waves that should be passing through the region right into Saturday.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, here's our feedback question.
This evening, we're asking what more can the leaders of the two main political parties do to improve their appeal to voters?
Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.